In front of me is Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into settings and clicking on sound and vibration over here. Now scroll down and select vibration and haptics section. Over here, by clicking on this switcher next to use vibration and haptics, you can switch them on or off. If you decided to enable them, you can manage all of those by clicking on the switchers next to the chosen ones. This way, you can turn on or off haptics for ringtone, manage feature called vibrate first then ring gradually, and also operate all of those notification vibration, alarm vibration, and touch feedback. When you finished, go back, scroll all the way down and manage those two options as well, charging sounds and vibration. And last but not least, always show icon when in vibrate mode. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!